Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we're checking out this Ziploc bag storage easy access container. This is a dispenser that allows you to dispense Ziploc bags quick, simple, and easy. Alright, so you have your different ones. You got snack, sandwich, quart, and gallon. So you would just basically place them down inside there. So then you can just simply pull them out. You can mount this on a wall if you want to. You can have it stand up if you want to, or you can have it laid down if you want to. Whatever works for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Overall, it's pretty nice looking. Alright guys, so check it out. It fits nicely in our drawer. So we got snack, our sandwich. We still need to get quart. We have some gallon bags, or a little smaller than a gallon, but as you guys can see, it works great. When we want a bag, we just pull one out. So I like it. I like that we can keep them all in here. You don't have to have them in their boxes. Overall, love it, guys.